3. Hey, she was a cutie in a sundress. I told her I just had to confess, I got a crush on you, darling. Them long tan legs got me falling. And I know we just met. Yeah.
See how things are going. Wrong one. I want this one. Video manager. Do. Come on, baby. You can do it. Ready to review. Those are doing pretty good. Check out page 2. Nothing great. 200, 100, 99. What? Includes copyrighted material or content. What the heck? I know exactly what I'm going to do. Let me show you. It happens to all of us. No matter how long you do this game or whatever, it's going to happen. You're going to get a copyright strike. But let me show you something you can do to turn a negative into a positive. Now, why do we get copyright strikes? Well, some of the places we get our music from, we just don't have permission to use it. There are some no copyright channels on YouTube that you can get music from, and I use some of them. So, you know, occasionally they might have a song they didn't get permission to use, and the original content owner finds out and they take it down. Sometimes the person that actually did the song, did the video, realizes, hey, a lot of people are using this song. A lot of people like my song. I need to start making money for that. I need to put it out there myself and start making money for it and not let people use it for free. So they'll contact the no copyright places and tell them to take it down. They can't use it anymore. And then you get the copyright strike. And that's just 2 ways. There are others, but that's 2 ways. So let me show you how to turn that negative into a positive. Okay, here we go. How to turn a negative into a positive. As you can see, here's my video. Includes copyrighted material. Yada, 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 okay? Nobody likes to see that, but unfortunately YouTube is so strict, that's what happens. Nothing we can do about it. But what we want to do is find out what song it is first. Don't do anything except find out what song. Includes copyrighted material. Click on that, and it will bring up this page. It'll show you the content, the name of the song, who owns it, who monetized it. You can remove the song through here, but I don't like doing that because it's such a pain to put another song back in. Or you can file a dispute. I've heard and seen cases of people that actually own the songs filing disputes and can't win because somebody else says they own it. So it's really a waste of time filing a dispute. You very, very rarely win one, if at all. So here's what you do. Go back 1 page, right? Well, first let me show you. The way you find here, if you don't know the song, play right here where it says play match. Starts at 024, ends at 350. Now I know what the song sounds like, so I can stop it, right? So let's go back to the original video in Video Manager. Okay, here it is. If you go right here, click that down arrow. What you need, let me do this first. What you need to do before you do anything, after you find out the name of the song, get that video off of YouTube, back on your computer or another website that you use to download, however you want to do it. If you click this little down arrow right here, download is MP4. If you click on that, it will open up a window right here. What do you want to do with it? And that will save it to your download folder or wherever you have downloads set up to go. You might have it set up to go to a hard drive, whatever. Download it off of YouTube. I have already done that, so I can cancel this step. Once you download it, right, go back up here, click on that, go to Info and Settings, and once it does that, right here where it says Public, click on that and make it private. Save changes. The reason you do that is because, like, this video has 672 views, okay? I don't want to lose those views. I don't want to lose the likes that I have. I don't want to lose the comments that I have. In other words, I don't want to lose that interaction with everybody else and the views and the monetization and all that stuff. So this will save everything. It stops everything right where it is. You lose nothing. Now, you can go in with your editing software, put the video in your editing software, change out the music, and re-upload it. I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. Okie dokie, here we go. How to make this into another video. All you're going to do is open up your editing software like I mentioned to you before. You click on mine, get it bringing up. As you can see, I'm still using DaVinci Resolve 14. I think this weekend I'm going to switch it over to 15 because I got some things I want to learn how to do. But open up a new project, right? Here we go. Yours might be different. Doesn't matter, it all does the same. Just open up your editing software and go find your video that you're looking for. And I think this is mine, so I'm going to click it and drag it down in here. And as a matter of fact, it is. So here's the beginning of it. I'm going to back it all the way up. Now it said that it started at about 24 seconds. So I'm going to let it play 24 seconds. And I'm going to keep talking. That way YouTube doesn't recognize that's what I'm doing and everything. And then we'll go from there, okay? We're getting very close. Let's see what we got. Yep. Car pulling up. 18, 19, 20, 1, 2. Yep, right there. Time marker right there, so I want to back it back up. And I am going to use an razor blade. I'm going to cut it at that time mark. And then we're going to bump it up. It said, I can't remember exactly, it was 3 minutes and something, I believe. So there's 2, there's 3, 2 minutes 6. It should be right here because you can see the big break in the music. So I'm going to go to the end of it right here. Yep, that's the end of it. So once it gets there, I'm going to cut it. Go back up and get my pointer, come back down, highlight it. And now that's deleted. And now that song is gone. Okay? Now just to make sure that I'm not using the same song after it, hit play again. More car sound. Yep, that's supersonic. So now we're going to back up and to the beginning where all the trouble started, which is right there. Now I'm going to go back to where I keep my music or my downloads, and I'm just going to randomly pick a song. Let's go with CJ Beards. Click and drag that in. Oop, I'm going to have to move it, so go all the way to the end, drag it in. Now the reason I'm doing this, I'm just showing you real quickly how easy it is to change the music in your song without, and look at this, it's almost the same size. By the time I move it over, it should be very close. Because once you do your video, you may not want to go in and do a lot of editing, changing the cars around, or completely redoing a video. You know, you may not want to completely redo this video. If you do, that's fine. The video is saved, it's still on YouTube, but it just can't get any more views or anything because you've now made it private, okay? So let's drag this music over. I'm not going to put it in place because I got to see where it ends up. There's that. Let's go to the end of the song. Yeah, it's going to fit perfect. Look at that. I'm going to have a couple second gap in there, but I think that'll work just fine. I can actually move it over that way a little bit and just have a gap at the beginning too. So let's see how it goes. Now before I do it, I want you to keep in mind, doing it like this, if you made any cuts and edits to where the video flows with the song, 97% certain it will not flow with the new song. But that shouldn't matter if you pick a song kind of in a general same line as the song as you had. I don't know if this one's going to be close or not. I'm pretty sure it won't be, but that's okay. I'm just using that song. It's just one I picked for the purpose of the video. That's actually working pretty close. Let's go a little deeper because I don't want to bore you sitting here watching the whole thing. So that's pretty close. Now all I have to do is go into deliver, highlight everything, right? Highlight the whole video, and then render. I think I'm going to make a few more edits to this particular video before I release it, or re-upload it and everything. I may not. I'm gonna play the whole thing out all the way through after I get through talking to you. But this is how you do it. I mean, it's that simple. It really is. But that is truly how simple that is. You're not losing the views. You're not losing any money that you might have gotten from it if you are monetized. You're not losing any comments, interaction with any of your subscribers, your supporters, anything like that. Everything stays the same. The copyright strike will still be there, but that particular copyright strike, if you click on it, it will tell you that it is actually, they're sharing the video. In other words, it's their video, they're allowing you to play it, but they might put their commercials on it, if you will. I don't want that, so I'm making the video private. I'm going to redo it. I might even redo the whole thing and make a brand new one, I don't know, to the particular songs and everything that I'm using. So it's that simple. If you want to make a new video, you see how easy it is. If you want to edit that particular one, just like that, throw a new song in it and re-upload it, by all means go for it. It's that simple. You might have 1 or 2 little seconds in there of where the song don't fit just right. You might have 1 or 2 little seconds of silence or whatever, and that's okay. Nobody's going to really notice it, you know, especially if it's at the beginning or the end of the song. Nobody will ever notice it, I promise you. But I just wanted to give you this tip on how to turn a negative into a positive, because I guarantee you it will happen. It will. Happens to everybody. YouTube is so ridiculous about this stuff. With all that said, get out there and enjoy your cars, you know, or videos, and have a great day. We'll see you in the next one. Hope it helps you. Thank you so much for watching.